Hello viewers, welcome to Martha's Kitchen. As you know, the Christmas is coming. We want to prepare some homemade wine. So today we're going to show you how to do it. Let's start with what are the ingredients that we need to prepare a wine. So for this preparation, we have taken 3 kgs of grapes, dark blue grapes, and there's a 10 liters of ceramic jar, and there's 1.5 kgs of sugar. So this should be half of what of the amount of grapes that you're taking. So we've taken 3 kgs of grapes, so we're putting half of it, 1.5 kgs of sugar. And then we have wheat, and then we have some other ingredients which go in, you might be very familiar with these ingredients. So I'll show you one by one. These are used in preparing biryani as well. These are the ingredients, and this is the yeast. Yeah, so now we have taken the jar. In the jar, what we're going to do is take the grapes, add it into the jar. With a wooden stick, you need to crush them and get the pulp out of the grapes. So you need to press them hard. Make sure you don't put your hand. It's only done through the wooden stick, so the wine doesn't get spoiled. Press them hard all around, in the corners. In the big vineyards, it's been told that people use their legs to crush the grapes to get the pulp out and make it very juicy. So you have to do the similar thing here in the jar. Make sure you crush them hard and get the pulp out, right? And you need to continue this process until all your grapes are in the jar and all the pulps are out and it's very juicy. That's your first step, where you need to prepare your base for wine. That's your grapes. And then we'll tell you what are the other ingredients that we need to add on as we progress. So we have finished with crushing all the grapes in the jar to get the pulps and the juice out of the grapes. And then that's 3 kgs of grapes in the jar. And then we're going to add the sugar, which is 1.5 kgs of sugar. The sugar can be added according to the sweet of the grape. So if you want your wine to be very sweet, you can add more sugar. If you want your wine to be bland and have the natural sugar from the grapes, then you can avoid using more sugar. So it's up to the users who are willing to have the taste according to their flavors, like whatever taste they want. If they want more sweet, add more sugar. Less sweet, add less sugar. So here we are adding half of 1.5 kg of sugar in the pulp and slowly mix it along with the pulp. The sugar will settle down in the base. So what you need to do is, after 21 days, you need to regularly open alternative days for another 10 days and stir it and close it. So for 21 days, we're going to close this with the lid. And after 21 days, because we added the sugar, it's going to settle down. We're going to, another 10 days, for 5 days, alternative days, we're going to open the lid and stir it and close it back. So you should not allow the oxygen to go into the jar. We have to close this. We put a cloth and put the lid on it. And we're going to tie a rope around this cloth so it's not allowing the oxygen to get into the jar. We're going to keep this for 21 days. After 21 days, we're going to open the jar lid and slowly stir it for another 10 days, every alternative days. So this process is going to take 31 days. So we're going to show you the part 2 in our future videos. Thank you for watching.